Piccolage for Kids. This is an app that students can showcase what they have been learning in school. So, for example, let's say you were learning about, this is actually an example of just a pet, a dog, pictures of dogs. So, this person actually uploaded a whole bunch of pictures of their dog and put them on Piccolage. To make it more educational, I have an example of one that I did. We actually learned in our classroom about cultures. Students selected different countries that they had learned about and created a Pic Collage Kids app of cultures. And this is an example of one that I made. So this is Italy. So we have the country of Italy, the flag, and a picture of Italy. You can insert text like the Italian language is a part of their culture. Pizza, that's part of the culture because it's the food they eat. They eat a special kind of pizza. So that's just an example of how you can use Pic Collage Kids in the classroom. Actually, Pic Collage Kids, you can do it many different ways. You can have like 3 pictures like this one I have, or you could do it like this picture right here, have several different pictures in a collage. Um, and text is optional, but it's a great way to assess if you make students type in different information. You can assess what they have learned through their typed work. And so, one caution about Pick Kids is if you get pictures from the internet, you do need to make sure you monitor um, their looking at pictures because they get pictures it's actually from the Bing website. So some of the pictures may not be child appropriate, so that would be the only caution about the Pic Collage for Kids app. But it is a great way. Students love to do anything with pictures, so it's a good way for students to type in what they have learned about and insert pictures and make their own collage. And students really enjoy doing that. You can you can change the color of the background, put little stickers, smiley face things on there. But it's anyway, that's a good app for students to use and to show their creativity. So I hope you enjoy using this app, and thank you for listening.